The next time you get too down about the stock market, I want you to remember this wonderful quarter where we got knocked down the canvas after Liberation Day, only to eventually rally all the way back and then some. I keep hearing the word resilient. I say, how about stellar? It was never easy, including today, when the S&P and the Nasdaq hit record levels, then reversed after President Trump broke off his trade talks with Canada because it imposed a digital services tax, made it retroactive to 2022. But then the market eventually shrugged off the Canadian spat, with the Dow gaining 422 points and both the S&P and the Nasdaq climbing 0.52%. The latter two closing at record highs. 9 out of 11 sectors were up today. This kind of stuff, so rare for so many years, has become commonplace in the last part of this quarter. Still, I think this market will remain strong, even in the face of a jarring story like the Canadian tariffs. The individual investor has learned that the best way to make money is to stand pat, stay in, maybe even add money into the declines, which has been the best strategy of all. While institutions flitted in and out and in and out and in and out, there's data that shows that the individual investor stayed in and even bought more on weakness. Yes, they bought the dip. It turned out to be right. That's pretty incredible. To stick with stocks during this period, you had to hold on through Liberation Day insanity, the endless calls by the president to get Fed Chief Jay Powell to step down because Trump wants immediate rate cuts, the nonstop chatter about how the economy would crumble under the weight of trade wars, the relatively high interest rates, and the endless, breathless chatter from Fed heads who end up not mattering anyway. It's a parade of horribles that requires you to hold your nose, avert your eyes, and keep buying. So I salute you for staying in. I know it couldn't have been easy to hang on through this decline, but it sure was worth it, wasn't it?
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.